Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English with Real Questions. I'm Ronald.
And I'm Stephanie. We're so happy you're here today.
This podcast is for beginners. If you want to speak English every day, this is for you.
Yes, we use real questions, real answers, and simple English.
Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are good.
Exactly. If you listen, repeat, and practice, you will improve.
Before we start, please like this podcast. Subscribe if you want to learn English with us.
And share it with a friend who's learning English.
All right, let's begin.
Real questions and daily speaking practice. How to use this podcast. Stephanie, first, listen, then pause and repeat.
Ronald, then listen again. This is how you learn to speak.
Stephanie, good job for trying. You're already improving.
Topic 1. Morning routine. Ronald, let's start with a very common question. What time do you wake up?
Stephanie, I'll say it slowly. What time do you wake up?
Ronald, now you try. Say it out loud.
Stephanie, great job. Now let's answer.
Ronald, I wake up at 6.
Stephanie, I wake up at 7.
Ronald, simple answer. I wake up at plus time.
Stephanie, let's repeat together. I wake up at 6.
Ronald, good. You sound great.
Topic 2, morning routine.
Stephanie.
Next question. What do you do in the morning?
Ronald, listen first. What do you do in the morning?
Stephanie, now you say it. Ronald.
Nice. Now answers.
Stephanie, I brush my teeth.
Ronald, I drink water.
Stephanie, I take a shower.
Ronald, let's make a full sentence. In the morning, I brush my teeth.
Stephanie, repeat with us. In the morning, I brush my teeth.
Ronald, very good. You're doing amazing. Topic 3, breakfast talk. Ronald, now a food question. What do you eat for breakfast?
Stephanie, this is a very real question. People ask this a lot.
Ronald, listen. What do you eat for breakfast?
Stephanie, now repeat.
Ronald, great. Here are some answers.
Stephanie, my breakfast is eggs.
Ronald, my quick breakfast is a banana.
Stephanie, I drink tea for breakfast.
Ronald, let's repeat this one. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Stephanie, excellent. Short and clear.
Topic 4, work and study.
Stephanie, next question. What do you do?
Ronald, this means work or study. What do you do?
Stephanie, repeat.
Ronald, nice. Now answers.
Stephanie, I am a student.
Ronald, I work in an office.
Stephanie, I work from home.
Let's practice. I am a student.
Stephanie, good job. Say it with confidence.
Topic 5, feelings and mood. Ronald, now an easy but important question. How are you today?
Stephanie, listen. How are you today?
Ronald, repeat.
Stephanie, perfect. Now answers.
Ronald, I am fine.
Stephanie, I am good.
Ronald, I am a little tired.
Stephanie, let's repeat together. I am good.
Ronald, very nice. Your English is getting better. Topic 6, asking back questions.
Stephanie, in English, it's polite to ask back.
Ronald, for example, how are you? I'm good. And you?
Stephanie, repeat. And you?
Ronald, great. Small words, big power.
Topic 7, evening routine.
Ronald, next question. What do you do in the evening?
Stephanie, listen first. What do you do in the evening?
Ronald, repeat.
Stephanie, nice. Answers now.
Ronald, I watch TV.
Stephanie, I talk with my family.
Ronald, I relax.
Stephanie, repeat with us. I watch TV.
Ronald, good job.
Topic 8, likes and dislikes.
Stephanie, let's talk about likes. What do you like? Ronald, repeat.
Stephanie, answers.
Ronald, I like music.
Stephanie, I like tea.
Ronald, I like learning English.
Stephanie, say it. I like learning English.
Yes, that's the best answer. Topic 9, yes or no questions. Ronald, now yes or no questions. Do you like coffee?
Stephanie, repeat.
Ronald, yes, I do.
Stephanie, no, I don't.
Ronald, repeat. Yes, I do. Very clear. Great pronunciation.
Topic 10, practice mini conversation. Stephanie, let's do a small, real conversation.
Ronald, I'll ask. What time do you wake up?
Stephanie, I wake up at 7. And you?
Ronald, I wake up at 6.
Stephanie, how are you today?
Ronald, I'm good. Thank you.
Stephanie, now you try this conversation at home.
Ronald, say it out loud. You are doing great.
Topic 11. Talking about your day. Let's start with a simple question. How is your day?
Listen carefully. How is your day?
Now you say it.
Good job. That sounds nice.
Now answers.
My day is good.
My day is busy.
My day is okay.
Repeat together. My day is good.
Great. Short and clear.
Topic 12. Talking about the weather.
People often talk about weather. Here is the question. How is the weather?
Listen first. How is the weather?
Now, repeat. Nice work. Answers now.
It is hot.
It is cold.
It is sunny.
Repeat with us. It is sunny. Perfect. You are doing very well.
Topic 13. Asking where someone is.
Now, an important question. Where are you?
Listen. Where are you?
Repeat. Good job. Answers.
I am at home.
I am at work.
I am outside.
Repeat together. I am at home.
Excellent. Topic 14. Talking about family.
Now let's talk about family. Question. Do you have a family?
Repeat. Answers. Yes, I do.
Yes, I have a family.
I live with my family.
Repeat slowly. I live with my family.
Nice pronunciation. Topic 15. Talking about free time.
Here is a common question. What do you do in your free time?
Listen first. What do you do in your free time?
Repeat. Great. Answers.
I watch videos.
I listen to music.
I rest.
Repeat. I listen to music.
Good job. Topic 16. Talking about sleep.
Now let's talk about sleep. Question. Do you sleep well?
Repeat.
Answers.
Yes, I sleep well.
No, I don't sleep well.
Repeat with us. I sleep well.
Nice and easy.
Topic 17. Talking about food likes.
Another food question. What food do you like?
Repeat. Answers.
I like rice.
I like vegetables.
I like simple food.
Repeat slowly. I like simple food.
Very good.
Topic 18. Asking for help.
This is very useful. Can you help me?
Listen. Can you help me?
Repeat. Answers.
Yes, I can.
Sorry, I can't.
Repeat. Yes, I can.
Great confidence.
Topic 19. Talking about learning English.
Now, an important question. Why are you learning English?
Repeat.
Yes, I am learning English for work.
I am learning English for travel.
I am learning English to speak better.
Repeat with us. I am learning English.
Excellent. Topic 20. Simple daily conversation practice.
Let's practice a real conversation.
How is your day?
My day is good. And you?
My day is busy.
Where are you now?
I am at home.
What do you do in your free time?
I listen to music.
Very nice conversation.
Now you try this at home. Topic 21. Ending the day.
Here is a night question. How was your day?
Repeat.
Answers.
It was good.
It was long.
It was nice.
Repeat. It was good.
Good job.
Wrap up, recap,
and community question.
Today, you learned real English questions.
We practiced what time do you wake up? What do you do in the morning? What do you eat for breakfast?
You also learned how to answer simply.
Short sentences are perfect for beginners.
Remember, listen, repeat, and listen again.
You're improving already. Good job.
Now our fun question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
We really want to know.
Thanks for learning with us today.
See you next time.
Keep practicing, keep smiling.